Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the reveal sticker on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, let's just create a story on our Instagram. We can click on this plus button to start creating new story. Go to the story section, and here I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. For instance, I'm going to upload this photo to my story, and then we can go to the sticker section right here and then just select the reveal sticker. Okay, and here we can type message to reveal. For instance, I'm just going to type guess what, and you can read the explanation right here. The story will be blurred. People can see it after they message you. Then you just need to click on done. Once you're done adding the message to reveal, okay, click on done, and we can place the sticker to any part of our story. I'm going to place it right here, and then we can take a look at the preview before we upload this story to our Instagram. This is the preview. This is how your story will look like to anyone who hasn't messaged you to reveal it. Okay, and then once you're ready to share your story, you can click on your story, and then the story will be uploaded to your Instagram. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can use message to reveal a sticker on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.